If you're doing local business in your area can be anywhere. So I will show you and I will share with you few tips that you can follow and you can get like more customers. And actually Google will trust your business. So here's, for example, Auckland gutter cleaning and house wash. I'm just taking it. So they provide actual gutter cleaning service in Auckland. So first thing I wanna mention, which is like as much as photos you can upload, just upload like you're working right now and click few photos, just upload raw photos and raw videos. You don't need to edit because customer will see your working process and how you actually work, how is your working process, and Google actually really love it. If you add more photos and more videos, Google will start trusting your business and customer also. So first thing is photos, uploading photos actually, photos and videos. Another thing is you have to mention when you're open and when you're closed. They just clearly mention everything. When they're open, when they're closed. Like if I'm the customer, I need the service. Maybe I need the service immediately. So if you just using 24 hours open, but when I'm calling you, that time you're telling me, okay, so we are not we're actually closed right now. So you have to mention everything. When you're closed, when you're open. Another thing is like services. If you're not mentioning your services, like what kind of services you provide, they provide gutter cleaning and house wash services. And they mention everything, every services they provide, they mention here. So you have to mention every services here. If you actually do that, Google will definitely trust your business. Actually, these are really important because if you add this will help customer make the decision, and Google really want this. And reviews. They got the reviews 3 months ago. This is their last reviews. Like if you're working to your client, just tell them politely. They can give you the reviews. Actually, how can I explain you? This is really, really important for your business. Actually, any kind of businesses. So as many as reviews you can just tell your client. So you should try. You can get reviews from every client. And if your client just add photos with reviews, that's super important and that's really, really helpful. So first one is as much as photos you can use. Another thing is website. Another one is are you closed or open. Another one is like you just what kind of service you are providing, just mention everything. And you can see they are using location maybe here. Okay, service Auckland and nearby areas. So they provide the service Auckland and nearby areas. So you can mention here. And another one is phone number. Many business owners I saw actually they're not using the phone number. I don't know why. So you can use your WhatsApp number or anything they can just call you. So this was like a few tips for your business. And if you can't do this, so just let me know in the comment. But if you can, then that's really okay. And that's really good. So best of luck to your business. But if you can't, just let me know in the comment and we can talk. But if you don't have Google Business Profile, we can create and I can help you. Just let me know in the comment.